Macau International Airport, and this is just after passing through immigration, which is again a piece of cake. And this is the departure area. All the flight details are here on the left in Chinese, Portuguese, and English, and the departure gates all clearly marked out in the duty-free area. There's not too much to see or do. I just wanted to bring a short video to show you what it looks like. Very comfortable airport. Everything looks so new. You can sit here and watch planes go by. So this is the tarmac, and that over there is the taxiway that leads to the runway, which is in the middle of the sea over there. And there's Air Macau, the national carrier. Comes in different livery, Airbus 320. Looks like waiting for departure. And there are frescoes on these giant windows of Macau. And the escalators leading to the premium lounge. I'm looking for restaurants. Okay, so that's where I'm headed next. Thank you. And there's a food lane. There's food options upstairs. Good Fortune Kitchen. And the famous Portuguese egg tart, which is famous here in Macau. Yeah, thank you. Dining area. More airport views. Nice stained glass windows. They're not stained there. Like murals. Check out more options. And dim sum, noodles, food, more food options. Entertainment area. Video games and stuff, mostly kids around. And an even better view of the tarmac from up here, from the food hall area. A convenience store and cafe. One more level below. I'm gonna go check that out as well. But here's the view from the food hall area. Looking at all the departure gates. Leaving Macau. I hope you watched my video of arriving in Macau. And I'll be leaving now. I'm going to Kuala Lumpur, and then from there to Johor Bahru, and then to Singapore in Malaysia.